Hey guys, David here, and today we're making a video called Playing Sports in Canada. And so we're playing a bunch of different sports in Canada, in the snow, and just showing you how difficult it can be. And hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe for more.
How to play baseball in Canada. How to skateboard in Canada.
Play Frisbee in Canada. Basketball in Canada. Johnny, now actually shoot it.
Playing soccer in Canada. Playing hockey in Canada. Storing your sports gear in Canada. See? You just can't get it to fall. Even slamming on your brakes doesn't get it to fall. See? oh, nope.
Can't get it to go.
Burnouts in Canada. Launching your car in Canada. Oh yeah, 0 to 60 real quick, baby. Woo! Yeah! Driving up hills in Canada. So close.
Thanks again for watching the video. Leave a like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.